Hola mi gente bella, feliz y bendecido miércoles para todos. Gracias por estar aquí. Para el que no me conoce, soy Omaira y como leyeron en el título de este video, hoy voy a hablar sobre una compañía que se llama Kendra's Boutique, que vende extensiones de cabello y peluca y todo eso. Esta compañía yo llevo siguiéndola ya hace unos años y nunca me había atrevido a comprar absolutamente nada de ello, así que espero que a esas personas, a esas mujeres que les gustan ponerse sus extensiones y todo, bueno, pues todo les sirva de algo. Yo voy a documentar todo. Este video también lo voy a hacer en inglés. O sea que en este mismo video, al final, voy a estar hablando inglés. Así que abajo en la descripción le voy a dejar en qué momento empiezo a hablar inglés para cuando ustedes, mi comunidad latina, llegue a ese punto y no entienda lo que yo estoy diciendo, pues ya puede parar de ver el video para no hacerle perder su tiempo. Así que no podía dejar mi comunidad latina atrás. Eso sí, le voy a hablar un poco de esto y vamos a ver si mi dinero no fue en vano. Realmente, este paquete me llegó por FedEx. Yo ordené este cabello el viernes, este viernes que acaba de pasar. Me llegó sábado y domingo, pues obvio no lo cuentan como que lo envían, so me lo enviaron el lunes y me llegó hoy. Este cabello me salió en un total de $555. Le voy a poner el recibo acá. Y vamos a abrirlo juntos. Primera vez solamente lo abrí para ver, o sea, la fiebre, para ver cómo llegaba y todo eso. Pero bueno, todo lo vamos a hacer junto aquí. Así que así te mandan el cabello. Adelante, o no sé si es adelante o atrás. Atrás dice Kendra's Boutique y tiene la página de su página web abajo. Entonces al frente dice I'm a hair bob, so I guess I'm a hair bob. Entonces, ¿qué más? ¿Qué más me mandaron? Me mandaron, ¿qué es esto? Bueno, me mandaron como un flyer, como diciendo en cuánto salen los bundles, no sé si puedo verlo ahí, en cuánto salen los 2, los 3, los 4 y los 5. Claro, los 5 dice $4.80. Yo no pagué $4.80 porque Omera decidió que quería el cabello un poco más largo en la parte de atrás. Así que me salieron en $555. $20 adicional por el bundle de 24. Le voy a dejar toda la confirmación aquí para no darle la información que no es. También ellos te mandan como un folleto, un pamphlet, explicándote cómo cuidar el cabello, qué clase de champú usar. Tengo entendido que este cabello es muy bueno. En la parte aquí de la izquierda dice que si puedes nadar con el cabello, que si tiene que ser algo especial para el pelo en las noches. Y bueno, muy buena información. Así que estos me llegaron adentro del paquete. Ahora, a lo que vinimos, el pelo. So, vuelvo y le repito, yo compré uno de 18, el largo es uno de 18, 2 de 20 y 2 de 24. Así que le voy a enseñar cómo vienen los bundles para que ustedes vean. Mi gente, antes de continuar este video, se me olvidó, si ustedes se fijan, usualmente estos cabellos llegan como en unos paquetes individuales, como en unos paquetes como de plástico. Los míos no llegaron así, los míos llegaron todos adentro de la bolsita. Y no llegaron en eso. Simplemente si ustedes van y buscan en YouTube Kendra's Boutique Review y cosas así, se van a fijar que algunas lo tienen. El mío no lo tuvo. El mío vino todo en la bolsita de Kendra. ¿Okay? Simplemente quise dejarles saber ese detalle. ¿Cómo llegan estos cabellos? Les voy a enseñar el de 18, el 24. Okay. Este es el de 18. Y se ve así, mira. Yo ordené el Body Wave, o sea, ello va de rizo a Body Wave, a un poco más rizos, a bien rizos, a super rizo y así. Yo cogí el Body Wave porque me gusta que cuando yo me mojo el cabello, se me enricen un poco. Así que vamos a ver si esto hace la magia, el truco. Miren cómo se ve el paquetico de 18, un poco grande. Su amiga aquí tiene la cabeza grande, así que yo tuve que donar 5. Porque para que me falte, que me sobre. Entonces yo tengo un viaje pendiente y a mí no me gusta que quede muy fino como el cabello, ¿entienden? Entonces, así se ve el de 18, como pueden ver aquí. Los de 20, ordené 2 de 20. Ordené 2 de 20, no sé si lo pueden ver. Lo mismo, un poco más largo. Bueno, aunque te va aquí. Para los que no saben, yo mido 5'8", así que ustedes, cuando yo le haga el próximo video para que me lo vean, ustedes van a ver que es largo y ya ustedes sabrán si es muy largo para ustedes o es muy corto. Hay mujeres que le gustan que le llegue más largo de la nalga, otras no, otras sí. Bueno, y ordené 2 de 24. Y así se ven los bundles de 24. En mi opinión, los bundles son pequeños. Como que son muy pequeños. Entonces, me asusté porque yo llegué a ver un video de una muchacha aquí en YouTube que estaba dando un review de estos cabellos. Y ella dijo que ella tenía como casi 7 paquetes en su cabeza. O sea, 7 bundles de esto. Y yo dije, bueno, y ella se ve más flaquita que yo. So, si ella tiene casi 7 bundles, yo mejor voy a ordenar 5. Y si necesito más, bueno, pues después lo ordeno. Para que me falte, mejor que me sobren. Entonces, por eso ordené. ¿Qué opino del cabello? Suave. El cabello es muy suavecito. No sé si ustedes pueden ver aquí, pero es suave, suave, suavecito, miren. O sea, bien suave. Las puntas se ven bien cortaditas, bien decente, bien onduladito el cabello. Ahora, el olor. No está tan mal, pero no está como muy bien. Así que no tengo una explicación. Porque aquí arriba huele como vete a lavar la cabeza. Pero entonces aquí no huele tan mal. No sé cómo explicarle. Aquí arriba huele como raro, pero aquí no huele tan raro. No sé qué decirle. Este cabello es como un 1B. Eso es negro. Pero yo lo voy a tener un poco más negro. Yo lo quiero jet black. Solo quiero bien negro. Pero está negro lo suficiente que a lo mejor en la primera vuelta no lo moleste ni nada por el estilo. O sea, lo deje así, me lo ponga así. A mí me encanta el negro. Tú me conoces, sabe que yo me encanta el negro. Así que esto es lo que hay. Los que están interesados, vuelvo y les repito, yo pagué $555 por el pelo. Huele un poco raro. A veces las compañías recomiendan que lo laven. Hay otros que dicen que te lo puedes poner directamente. Así que la muchacha que me va a poner el cabello, no sé en realidad cómo lo vamos a hacer. Yo voy a ir ya con la cabeza limpia. Así que no les sabría decir exactamente. Pero estoy muy contenta, estoy bien excited porque nunca había comprado de ellos, así que yo voy a hacer otro video después que lo tenga puesto, lo voy a dejar saber. Una cosa es cuando el pelo llega, otro es cuando ya está mojado, otro es cuando ya está seco. Vamos a ver si el blower lo coge bien, vamos a ver si coge, o sea, vamos a tratarlo y después yo voy a venir aquí y le voy a hacer otro video para que ustedes me vean el pelo y me den su opinión en cuanto a eso. Así que si tienen alguna pregunta, alguna duda en cuanto a este cabello, déjenmelo abajo en los comentarios. Muchas gracias por estar aquí en este momento. Voy a empezar a hablar inglés. Va a ser el tutorial en inglés para los que no entiendan o no quieran volver a escuchar lo mismo, aunque entiendan, pueden dejar el video. Pero antes, no olviden de suscribirse. Y lo más importante, no dejen de hacer dinero. Si están haciendo su Uber, están haciendo su Lyft, vayan. Y espero que todos hagan bastante dinero. Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here. For those that don't know me, my name is Omaira, and this is my first time providing a review of any kind online. This channel, I talk about self-employed. I currently drive for Uber, and I also own a boutique, which I'm gonna have the website down here for you guys. So I do work from home and here and there. And this channel is to provide information on those type of things. So it's my first time, like I said. I'm going to be reviewing Kendra's boutique. Thank you so much for being here. I do speak and I make videos for the Spanish and Latin community, but if you guys like this content and you guys would like me to make more videos in English when it comes to like hair reviews or even self-employment or stuff like that, leave it down in the comment below and I'll be more than happy. If you guys are okay when I am providing these reviews, you guys, I can do like one review that speak English and Spanish. Always in the description, I'm gonna have the timing where the English starts and when the Spanish ends and when the English language start. Is up to you guys, unless you guys request that you guys want me to make like a separate YouTube channel for that, which I'm really not trying to because it's a lot of work. And sometimes I'm just lazy. I just literally started filming not too long ago and I'm pushing myself out there to at least film myself twice a week. So that's the reason why I did this. So we'll see how it goes. Again, the hair that I'm going to be reviewing is Kendra's Boutique. I ordered this on Friday. I'll put the date here. And I got it today, Wednesday, because obviously they don't work Saturdays and Sundays. Therefore, they shipped my order on Monday. And I did pay an additional $35 because I wanted to make sure I get it by Thursday because I'm getting my sewing done tomorrow. So, and I did. So I'm very happy when it came to shipping. No complaint whatsoever when it came to that. Now, what did I get in the package? I got obviously the most that we all expecting. The little bag here comes in a very nice silky bag, and it says I'm a hair bob in the front, or I don't know if that's the back of the front, but whatever. And then in the other side it says Kendra's Boutique and it has her website. So I think it's really nice. It's a really nice bag. I actually like it. And then what else did I have? Okay, so I also have like the bundle deals. So she sent me like a flyer or whatever that states like the deals and all that stuff. And then the hair care, it's like a little pamphlet here that tells you, you know, you should go swimming with it or not, or what type of shampoo and conditioner you should be using on your hair and all that. So I'm all into like wigs and stuff. I haven't really gotten sew-ins in like a very long time. So I'm actually excited about it. And I didn't want to put just not any hair for sewing. I wanted to go with a brand that it's, you know, it's out there. I've been following Kendra's Boutique for maybe 3 years. And since I haven't gotten no sew-ins, I only wear like clip-ins or like wigs and stuff like that. It was no need for me to really buy it. But now that I'm going to be traveling soon and I'm like, you know, I want some good hair. I want some good hair. So I decided to give it a try. Trust me, I look all over YouTube to make sure that, you know, that my money is worth it. I want to hear everyone else's opinion on that. And that's the reason why I'm here, to provide my opinion as well. That it might, because I looked at multiple YouTube videos. I just didn't went in and looked at one or two. I was like, no, I'm going to look at multiple videos to make sure. And I did. Not only we're looking like, I wasn't looking at the good ones only, of the good reviews. There's reviews they're like, don't buy this hair again, and you know, so you just gotta go for it. You know, you gotta play it out, try it out. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So I want to make sure that I document this journey here for you guys. I'm gonna be making another review once my hair is installed and give you guys my input in it, and then hopefully I'll be back in a month, you know, provide a month update or 2-month update or whatever, you know, or whatnot. So I ordered, let's start with the video. I think I'm rumbling too much. So I bought 5 bundles. I'm gonna put the picture thing here. So I ordered 5 bundles because I watched this video on YouTube of this girl that had almost 7 bundles in her hair. And I'm like, why does she have 7 bundles? She looks small. So I'm 5'8", mind you guys, and I'm tall, right? And she looks small. I'm like, I have a big head. She doesn't look like she has a big head. So why she has almost 7 bundles in her hair? So that was the only thing that got to me a little bit since I'm traveling. I said, no, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna order 5 and is, play it safe than sorry, because then I wasn't gonna have enough time to wait for another bundle to get here. So I ordered. Hey guys, something I had to like put in here. One thing I noticed that my hair did not came in those plastic bags. Like, you know how some reviews, some girls, they get like their hair, like each individual, they're packed inside like a plastic bag. If you guys notice, mines are not like that. So they just came inside the silk bag. So I just wanted to throw that in there. 118, 220, and 224. So the 18, this is how it looks. I ordered the body wave. As you guys can see, it has some body wave. The texture is really soft and silky. I love it. I love the way it feels on my hand. It does not feel cheap at all whatsoever. This is what it looks like. I don't know, it might look big on you guys on the screen. It's actually not that big. It's actually not that big. Like in person, it's actually not that big. So if you have a big head, man, order at least 5 bundles. If you want a full head, I want a full head. So order at least that. So I prefer to have leftovers than needing more. I really don't like flat, like really flat and thin hair. So I went with the 5. I just went with the 5. It is what it is. And I'll let you guys know in my next video if I end up having leftover or not. I'm gonna be able to help you guys decide if you guys should get it or not. So this is the 18. Then I got 220s. And again, oh my God, this looks so small. I wish you guys can really like tell. You guys can see it there, right? Yeah, you guys know, right? It's a little sticky thing out. But man, no regrets whatsoever. No regrets. Yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to start rocking it. All right, last, I ordered 224. That's 224. And that's it. So that was 118, 220s, and 224. All together, this is what it looks like. Man, that should be enough for my head. I'm telling you guys. So yeah. So this is my honest review. So I think it's soft. I like it. It's nice. The smell, I almost forgot about that. I did say it in Spanish. I almost forgot when I did the first part of the video. So it smells funny, like here. For some reason, I can't tell you guys what it really smells like because it smells weird, but I don't know what it smells like. Now, on the bottom part, you guys are probably saying, oh, Myra, come on. But it's true, you guys. Like, it smells weird on the top, but on the bottom, it smells good. So I don't know, like when they're doing the hair, maybe they kind of like do this part first, forget about it, and maybe they wash this. I have no idea. You guys tell me your thoughts on that. But for me, it smells okay. It's not too bad. It's not. So I'm gonna be making another video on when I get this hair installed, and I'll let you guys know my opinion on it. I purchased the body wave because it's supposed to give me some wave when I have it wet. I am going to the Caribbean, so my hair is going to be getting wet here and there. And supposedly this hair, you can dye it, you can blow dry it, you can get in the water and everything, and it will go back to the original state. So you guys know this girl is going to let you know, like, yes, true or not. So the next video is going to be when I install it, so you guys can see how it looks and how long it is on me. I'm 5'8", so I didn't want something too long, like past my butt or nothing like that. So it should come down to like my waistline. So I'll let you guys see that on my next video, and then I'll probably make another video like a month update or something like that. Again, this channel, I'm providing like self-employment tips and stuff for people that are looking to like work for themselves and stuff like that. If you guys want, I can continue doing this reviews and then just letting you guys know on the description like where do I start speaking English, or if you guys just want me to just make a different separate channel for like this kind of stuff. I'm into hair and all that, way more than makeup and all that stuff. So I can make a separate channel where I can also talk about like what I do in my personal life, like what I do for work. Like I said at the beginning, I drive for Uber, I drive for Lyft, and I work from home, so I ship orders. I do have a website, so I've been doing that I've been doing rideshare for 5.5 years, and I've been selling online for over 6.5 years, because my daughter is 7, and I started actually when I was pregnant. So like 7 years I started selling online. So that's what I provide on this channel to like the Latin community. But if you guys want a quick channel, I won't promise I'm gonna be as often. I just started this channel, and I'm gonna push myself to upload at least twice a week. We'll see. If not, if you guys are also okay, I can just continue doing these bilingual videos and then just letting you guys know where it starts and you guys just jump into it. That sounds more like a thing that I will probably consider. Not all the time, but especially for reviews, not for like the self-employment things. That's gonna be basically the most in Spanish. So if you guys like this content, if you guys understand both languages and you guys are, you know, I welcome everyone. Feel free to subscribe. So if you like this content and maybe you'll understand some of the stuff I said in Spanish, or you're bilingual by any chance, go ahead and subscribe. I welcome you to my community. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I upload this videos. So I'll get to talk to you guys soon.